Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you how to determine if your laptop supports the 5 GHz wireless band and how to enable it if it does. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Network Adapters section. Locate your wireless adapter, right-click on it, and then select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Advanced tab. If your wireless adapter supports the 5 GHz band, you will typically see an option related to 802.11n. Under the Value section for this setting, you should find an option to enable or disable. If the 5 GHz band is disabled, select Enable from the drop-down menu. It is crucial to remember that your router must also support the 5 GHz wireless band for this feature to work. Many older routers do not support this band, so ensure your router is compatible before proceeding. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.